Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create an Open SDG platform. Today we are going to cover how to create a data repository, a site repository, and how to configure them to create an empty platform. For this tutorial, we will use Ghana as an example. Before starting this tutorial, you'll need a GitHub account. If you do not have one, pause this video now and create one by going to github.com. You should now have everything you need to complete this tutorial. So let's get started by going to github.com and logging in. Once you have logged in, go to the Open SDG Site Starter repository and then click Use this template. From the drop-down list, choose which organization you want to create the platform in. As this platform is for Ghana, I'll select SDG Ghana, an organization I've created beforehand. If you need to create a new organization, then follow GitHub's guidance on how to create a new organization. Then give your repository a name and optionally a description, and make sure the repo is marked as public. Make sure to select the Include All Branches box, as this is very important. Now click Create Repository from Template. At this point, add a bookmark for this page so that you can come back to it later. This will be your site repository. Next, go to the Open SDG Data Starter repository and again click Use this template. Select the same organization from the drop-down, so in this case SDG Ghana. Give the repository a name and make sure it's marked as public. Again, make sure to select the Include All Branches box. Now click Create Repository from Template. Again, at this point, add a bookmark to this page for when you need to come back to it. This will be your data repository. Select Config Data YAML and click the pencil in the top right corner to edit the file. Here we just want to make a change that doesn't affect anything, so I will add a comment in the first line saying this is a comment. Scroll down and select Create a new branch for this commit and click Propose Changes. On the next page, click Create Pull Request. Wait a few seconds and some tests will begin. These tests will take a couple of minutes to run. Once the tests have passed, the Merge Pull Request button will turn green and you'll be able to click it. Now the tests have passed, click Merge Pull Request and then click Confirm Merge. You can then delete that branch. Next, we will navigate back to the site repository. You can either do this by using the bookmark you created earlier or by clicking to go back to your organization page and selecting the repository from there. Once you're back in the site repo, select config.yaml and click the pencil in the top right to edit the file. At the top of the file, you'll need to make some edits so that the site repo is configured to work with your data repo. Firstly, in line 8, change the text to the name of your repository, so in this case, site. Then in line 12, change opensdg.org to your organization's name and .github.io, and then change OpenSDG Data Starter to your data repo name, so in this case, data. You can also get this URL by going to your data repository, going to settings and scrolling down to the GitHub pages section of the page and copying the URL from there. In line 16, change OpenSDG to the name of your organization and OpenSDG Data Starter to your data repo name. So SDG Ghana and just data for the second part. And then do the same for line 18. Scroll down and select Create a new branch for this commit and then click Propose Changes. On the next page, click Create Pull Request. Wait a few seconds and again some tests will begin. Once the tests have passed, click Merge Pull Request and then click Confirm Merge. Then delete the branch. Now wait for the site to build. This can take up to 5 minutes, but you can go to the Actions tab to see progress and know when the site is ready to view. Once the top item turns green, click Settings and scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. You will see your site is published at with a link to your site. So in this case, it will say your site is published at sdg-ghana.github.io/site. Click this link and you'll be able to see your empty Open SDG platform. If you click on Goal 1, you will see that one indicator is reported. This is indicator 1.1.1, which will currently show some dummy data. This is the end of the tutorial. You now have your own Open SDG platform. Thank you for watching this Open SDG video tutorial on how to create an Open SDG platform. To learn more, check out our other videos or visit our website at open-sdg.org.